Have you ever wondered how to turn your online presence into a money-making machine? Today, we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing, an exciting, lucrative avenue for earning income online. Now you may be asking, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Simply put, it's a process where you, the affiliate, promote a product or service for a company and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. But here's the catch. Not all affiliate marketing websites are created equal. Some offer higher commission rates, others have a broader range of products to promote. And unfortunately, some are just not as trustworthy as they seem. Navigating this landscape can be a challenge, but fear not, we've done the legwork for you. We're about to reveal the top 7 affiliate marketing websites that are not only trustworthy and reliable, but can also significantly boost your online earnings. So buckle up, because this is going to be an insightful ride. Stick around to uncover the top 7 affiliate marketing websites that can boost your online earnings. Starting off our list is none other than Amazon Associates. As the world's largest online retailer, Amazon certainly needs no introduction. But did you know you could leverage its enormous inventory to earn a passive income? Welcome to the world of Amazon Associates. This affiliate program allows you to promote any item on Amazon's vast catalog and earn a commission on sales made through your referral links. The pros? A massive product range, trusted brand, and user-friendly platform. The cons? Lower commission rates compared to other programs and a short cookie duration of only 24 hours. Getting started is fairly straightforward. Simply create an Amazon Associates account, choose the products you want to promote, and share your unique referral links. Remember, the key to success lies in promoting products relevant to your audience. In a nutshell, Amazon Associates is a great place to start. It's beginner-friendly and offers a wealth of opportunities. But let's keep moving, there's more to explore. Next up, we have ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is another powerhouse in the affiliate marketing world. With a vast digital marketplace containing tens of thousands of products to promote, it's a haven for both newbie and seasoned affiliates alike. One major benefit of ClickBank is the high commission rates, some of which go as high as 75%. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The platform has its share of low-quality products, so it's crucial to choose wisely to maintain your credibility. Getting started on ClickBank is a breeze. You simply sign up for a free account, choose a product from the marketplace that resonates with your audience, and start promoting. For beginners, it's a good idea to start with products that have a high gravity score, indicating that they're popular and proven to sell. ClickBank, an impressive platform, but hold on, the list gets even better. At number 3, we have CJ Affiliate. This platform is a powerhouse in the affiliate marketing industry. With a reputation built over 2 decades, CJ Affiliate offers an impressive range of products and services to promote. Its main advantage is its extensive network of brands and retailers, providing affiliates with a wide variety of niches to choose from. But it's not all rosy. The platform can be a bit intimidating for beginners due to its complex dashboard and the high competition. However, once you get the hang of it, the sky is the limit. For newcomers, it's crucial to invest some time learning the ropes, understanding the platform's nuances, and identifying profitable niches. CJ Affiliate also offers competitive commission rates, and with consistent effort, you can start earning a significant income. In summary, CJ Affiliate is a proven platform with a massive product range and potential for high earnings. CJ Affiliate, a solid choice, but we're not done yet, stay tuned. Moving on, we have ShareASale. A Chicago-based platform, ShareASale has been in the affiliate marketing business for 2 decades. It's a well-respected player that offers a wide variety of product categories, making it a versatile choice for affiliates of all types. ShareASale stands out for its user-friendly interface and transparent merchant information. It's easy to navigate and offers all the necessary tools to start your affiliate marketing journey. You can even view the earnings per click, reversal rates, and average sale amount for each merchant. However, it's not without its downsides. ShareASale has a somewhat dated design and the payout threshold is $50, which might be a bit steep for beginners. But don't let these minor setbacks deter you. With a bit of patience and effort, you can reap considerable benefits from this platform. Remember, affiliate marketing is all about finding the right fit for you and your audience. ShareASale, a notable platform, but wait, there's more. ShareASale. Coming up next is Rakuten Marketing. This powerhouse of a platform is a veteran in the affiliate marketing sphere. With a robust network of advertisers, Rakuten Marketing provides a plethora of opportunities to earn. You'll find a wide array of products across various categories to choose from. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Rakuten marketing may be a bit intimidating for beginners due to its complex interface and approval process. It's not as straightforward as some of the other platforms we've discussed, but don't let that deter you. The key to success with Rakuten marketing is patience and persistence. Spend time understanding the platform, its tools and features. Be selective about the products you promote. Focus on those that resonate with your audience. Remember, Rakuten marketing has been around for a while and there's a reason for that. It's reliable, it pays on time, and it offers a wide range of products. Rakuten marketing, a definite contender, but stick around, the best is yet to come. At the 6th spot, we have Awin. Hailing from Germany, Awin has established itself as a robust platform, hosting over 22,000 affiliate programs. It's a powerhouse in the world of affiliate marketing, working with big names like Etsy and AliExpress. Now, what sets Awin apart? It's their user-friendly interface and in-depth reporting tools. These features make it easier for you to analyze your performance and optimize your strategy. Awin also offers a wide range of products across various niches, providing you with ample opportunities to find the perfect fit for your audience. However, it's not all roses. Awin does require a $20 registration fee, which can be off-putting for some, but remember, this is a small investment in the grand scheme of things, especially considering the potential returns. For beginners, we recommend starting small. Choose a few products that align with your audience's interests and build from there. Awin, a strong choice, but hold on, we're about to reveal the top pick. And finally, at the top of our list is Impact. This platform is a titan in the realm of affiliate marketing, boasting a vast network of top-tier brands and advertisers. With a powerful suite of tools at your disposal, Impact makes it easy to track, analyze, and optimize your campaigns. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Like any platform, Impact has its downsides. The learning curve can be steep, especially for beginners. But don't let that deter you. With persistence and a little bit of elbow grease, you'll be mastering the platform in no time. What sets Impact apart from the rest is its commitment to transparency and fraud protection. This ensures you'll always get your fair share of the profits. To get started, simply sign up, find a brand you love, and start promoting. So there you have it, Impact, the reigning champion in the world of affiliate marketing. So there you have it, the top 7 affiliate marketing websites to make money online. Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane and recap what we've learned. First up, we had Amazon Associates, a giant in the e-commerce arena, offering a vast product range and a reliable platform. If you're looking to start off with something familiar, this is it. Then we delved into ClickBank, a haven for digital products with high commission rates. If you have a knack for online courses or ebooks, this is your playground. CJ Affiliate was next, renowned for its extensive network and high-quality partners. If you crave variety and high-quality products, CJ Affiliate should be on your radar. We then explored ShareASale, a platform that prides itself on simplicity and efficiency. If you're new to the game and prefer an easy-to-use interface, ShareASale is a great starting point. Rakuten Marketing followed, offering unique and diverse product offerings. If you're keen on promoting products that are a bit out of the ordinary, Rakuten is the place to go. Awin was our next stop, a platform with a global reach. If you want to tap into markets outside your home turf, Awin can help you do that. And lastly, we highlighted Impact, a platform that stands out with its robust and advanced technology. If you're tech-savvy and appreciate a seamless user experience, Impact is your best bet. In the end, the key to successful affiliate marketing lies in finding the right platform that aligns with your interests, your audience, and your marketing strategy. Each of these 7 platforms brings something unique to the table, and it's up to you to choose the one that resonates most with your goals. Try out these websites, share your experiences in the comments. You can sign up via the links provided in the description and begin earning money, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips in future videos.